What are some good health insurance plans in India? There is no best way to select the top 10 health insurance plan because each person has different needs and requirements. However, you can list out top health insurance policies based on these parameters. 1. Coverage amount. You need to choose the appropriate coverage amount based on your location. If you're living in a metropolitan city, then you should select a higher coverage amount because of the city lifestyle and expenses. On the other hand, if you're living outside a metropolitan city, then you could choose a lower coverage amount because the expenses of medical treatment might be low there. For e.g., people living in Class A cities can choose a cover amount of up to Rs. 10 lakhs, whereas people living in Class B and C cities can go for Rs. 5 lakhs of the cover amount. 2. Family floater or individual plan. Under the family floater plan, you cover yourself, your spouse, children and even parents. There will be a single coverage amount for all the members involved. The individual plan covers only a single person with fixed coverage. People generally purchase an individual plan for their parents and family floater plan for themselves, their spouse and children. 3. Claim settlement ratio. The claim settlement ratio represents the percentage of claims the insurance company has settled. Always choose an insurance company with a high claim settlement ratio. 4. Network hospitals and cashless treatments. Network hospitals are those hospitals that have ties with the insurance company. Network hospitals generally provide a cashless treatment where you don't have to spend any money from your pocket directly. Always choose that health insurance plan who has a network hospital tie in your area. 5. Maximum age renewability. Make sure you check that your insurance plan has maximum age renewability because you may not need it now at a young age, but you will definitely require it at an older age. The plan features and premiums vary based on sum insured chosen and the age of the person buying the policy. Thus, it is best to compare various available plans and choose the one that best suits your need and profile. Some key things to choose a plan are mentioned below. 1. Cashless hospital network. Any good insurance company should have a host of network hospitals connected. Reputed hospital and accessibility to network hospitals are main priorities for anyone looking for a policy. The reachability to hospital is a critical factor in cases of emergency. Cashless facility is also critical as you would want to run around for arranging the money instead of being close to your loved ones. 2. Room rent limit. Some plans have restrictions on the room rent limit one can opt for. In some cases, monetary limits hold, while some others apply a room category capping. In case you select a room that is higher than your eligibility, deductions will be made on the room charges that exceed the eligibility. Also, all charges associated during stay in hospital are also proportionately deducted. For example, if your room rent eligibility is Rs. 1,000 and the hospital room you selected is costing Rs. 2,000, not only will Rs. 1,000 per days of hospitalization be deducted, but all other charges like doctor consultations, medical checks, surgery expenditure all would be paid as per eligibility criteria, that is at only 50% of the services charged. So, opt for a plan which has no limit on room rent or at least offers a single private room. 3. Purchase this domain payment. Check whether your plan has any co-payment clause, which means that you will have to pay a certain percentage of the claim amount out of your own pockets. For example, in claim of Rs. 4 lakhs, the admissible claim is Rs. 3 lakhs, expenses approved by the insurer as per your original claim, and co-pay of 10%. The insurance company would pay Rs. 2. 7 lakhs, you would bear 10% Rs. 30,000 on the admissible claim, over and above Rs. 1 lakh of inadmissible claim. 4. Waiting periods. Policies may have a waiting period, i.e. normally wait period is 30 days, which implies any claim arising out of illness, disease contracted within 30 days from the purchase of policy will not be settled except arising from accident. There are many diseases that are covered in a health insurance policy after a specified number of years. Few insurers might cover them after 1 year and few after 2 years or 4 years. Also, pre-existing ailments are covered after specific number of years, which can be 2 years, 3 years or 4 years, as per insurance company. 5. No claim bonus. Insurance companies offer a bonus in case you do not claim in the policy period. This is termed as no claim bonus, NCB. Usually, the NCB increases by a fixed percentage, say 5% or 10% of the sum insured, every year. This is a very critical as the medical costs are rising rapidly each year and the NCB helps you to ensure you are adequately covered. Thus, the higher the NCB percentage, the better it is. On a flip side, note that usually your NCB reduces with same percentage in case you claim in a policy year.